not broken from there.
No.
There's my poncho.
No way.
Oh
my
poncho get all
gosh.
the way over here.
We found the poncho. Are you kidding me? Break over here. Nice fresh one too. Going across. Let's look at this. It's taller than me. Going up there. It's wedged in pretty good. It'd have to be bent down to go in that. It's kind of, that branch is, something took it and wrapped kind of it around and brought it over here. Yeah, this is definitely placed there. This is definitely placed through there. And what's interesting is I just saw, oh, where did I see it? Everything changes. Oh, I saw this, a couple things here. Saw this kind of tucked away in here, like that. And you got a break up here. Sorry, I broke that, it was rotten. Got a break right here. You got a floater this way. Ugh. This is pretty neat here. Well, it's not really a floater, but it's pretty cool. Let's look at this. Well, so, a little break going up there, and you got this one on top of it. And if you notice, this is on top, this is on top of this one. Oh my God. I don't know where this came from. And then you have it forked in here, like this is jammed in there. See that? Wow. It's pretty neat. Pretty interesting right here. First of all, you have a break right there, which that break is here. So that went from there to there to make an X. This went all the way up there, placed that back to make an arch, and went up that way. Pretty neat.